At Pratt Industries, we provide custom packaging solutions made from 100% recycled corrugated containerboard. Our expertise in a variety of industry markets, branding, design, and e-commerce allows us to help our customers better serve their end users. And with specialized capabilities like Pratt Color, Pratt's Value Improvement Program, and our Tech Center's rigorous testing standards, we ensure that every Pratt customer's product is of the highest quality. The process begins with the collection of recycled materials. We work with businesses, communities, and most importantly, our customers, to recover old corrugated containers and mixed paper products. Instead of being sent to a landfill, these materials supply our network of 100% recycled paper mills, strategically placed across the country, and which manufacture the paper that our box plants use to produce corrugated sheets. These corrugated sheets are taken to one of our converting facilities, where we work with customers to develop their very own custom packaging and point-of-purchase display solutions. When the product is complete, we provide logistics support through Pratt's own independent and modern trucking fleet, Pratt Logistics, to deliver that product to our customers, and in many cases, to the same customers who chose to recycle with us through Pratt Recycling, thereby effectively closing the loop in our manufacturing processes and ensuring that sustainability is a part of every customer's package.